Everyone extreme crypto here. Ever wonder when is the ideal time to buy or sell Shiba Inu? Well, today we'll be looking at some key levels, when to buy and when to sell. In this video, we'll cover a unique way where to trade Shiba Inu. We'll look what Shiba Inu is all about and we'll get some detailed levels. The levels is my own calculation using the stock to flow model. As we all know, the stock to flow is based off Bitcoin and it's been giving great predictions of where Bitcoin might go. So I formulated my own conclusion when coins follow Bitcoin when it goes up or when it goes down to give us an indication of some possible levels. Now, before we get to that, let's look at Bitscap, our all-in-one trading automation platform for Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies like Shiba Inu. Best crypto trading bots, smart algorithmic orders, portfolio and demo trading. Everything you need to easily manage your assets within one interface. And the benefit of Bitscap, it works via API keys, meaning you're not sending any of your funds to Bitscap. All your funds stays on your exchange. Crypto trading bot for Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. Set automated trading bots on Binance, Bitfinex, Kraken, and over 25 other cryptocurrencies exchanges. So Shiba Inu, a decentralized meme token that evolved into a vibrant ecosystem. Shiba, Leash, and Bone, Shiba Swap, innovative reward system, the Shiba Incubator, and more. 585 plus community members and fast growing. A project and ecosystem. From its inception, Shiba Inu was done things differently. Starting with a supply of 1 quadrillion, our founder, Roishi, locked 50% in Uniswap, then burned the other half to Ethereum co-founder Vitalik Buterin for safekeeping. To help reverse the devastating spread of COVID-19 in India, Vitalik Buterin has since utilized Shib in the largest crypto donation in history and then actually burned 40% of its total supply to a dead wallet, ensuring our long-term success and stability. In the words of Rashi, thank you to the 𝙏𝙝𝙖𝙣 for enabling true decentralization. Now we truly begin. Looking at Shib, the Shiba Inu token is our foundational currency that allows investors to hold millions, billions, or even trillions of it in their wallets. Between its international recognition and its legitimate utility, Shib is up thousands and times and is constantly expanding its reach. Shib is the first to be listed as an incentivized on Shiba Swap or proprietary DEX. Leash. Leash was originally set to be a rebase token, but then we removed the rebase and unleashed its full potential. With a total supply of only 107,646 tokens, it represents the other end of our eco spectrum. Leash is the second token incentivized on Shiba Swap and will offer lucrative rewards for the holders providing its liquidity. Bones. Bone has 250 million tokens and is designed to fit perfectly between the previous two tokens in regards to circulation supply. Moreover, the token is a government's token, which will allow the Shib army to vote on upcoming proposals or our doggy dio. How to buy. Shib and Leash are best purchased and sold through Shiba Swap, but can also be found on Uniswap and an ever-growing list of DEX. Please note that outside the Shiba Swap exchange, which support one may not support the other. Shiba is a decentralized experiment, and as such, we always incentivize the use of DEX. If you choose to utilize a CEX instead, Remember to reset it first to ensure it's both safe and secure. Quick start guide. Create a MetaMask wallet. Send ETH to your wallet. Connect your wallet to Shiba Swap. Swap ETH for Shib, Leash or Bone. And since then, you can connect your wallets to the Binance Smart Chain as well. Shiba Swap. Shib, Leash and Bone come together to create Shiba Swap, the next evolution in DeFi platforms. Shiba Swap gives users the ability to dig, provide liquidity, vary, stake, and swap tokens to gain WOOF returns through our sophisticated and innovative passive income reward system. Our platform also allows the Shib Army to access upcoming NFTs and additional tools, such as portfolio trackers, to make navigating the crypto world simple art. We are proud to support ingenuity in all the forms with the Shiba Incubator. The Shib Army is made up of talented individuals who have united to build something remarkable, and we support this by cultivating an environment which encourages creativity and growth. Through the power of the Shiba Inu Incubator, we help holders find the tools they need to bring their inspiration and unique perspectives to life. This as just another way to encourage others to step outside the preconceived limits and regulations and experience what it means to be part of our decentralized movement. Rescue. From the tips of their noses to the end of their tails, Shiba Inu are intelligent, brave, and independent, with an equal propensity for loyalty and mischief. Sadly, the characteristics which made them extraordinary are the same ones which made them a challenge pet. Inexperienced owners can find themselves unprepared for a dog that's known for its bold personality. Luckily, we are helping these dogs in real life. We use Amazon Smart to collect and donate a percentage of your Amazon purchases to the Shiba Inu Rescue Association. Joining is easy and free. Just use smart.amazon.com when placing orders and select Shiba Inu Rescue Association, preferred non-profit organization. You're seconds away from helping ships in need. Start funding shelters today. And that's all about Shiba Inu. But let's see how Shiba Inu doing. Currently, when we look at CoinGecko, Shiba Inu is in the top 15 coins according to market cap, with a volume in the last 24 hours of $3.3 billion and a current market cap of $15 billion. Shiba Inu does have volume and sustainability. The current Shiba Inu price at the time of making this video is 0.00002824%. Of the 1 quadrillion total supply, there's a circulating supply of 549 trillion. If we go down and we look at the all-time chart since Shiba Inu has been added to CoinGecko, we can see it started at a very, very small amount. And if we look at the current price, it's at the all-time high on the 28th of October 2021, 5 months ago. And since then, it's dropped back 68%. But since its all-time low, we have a massive gain of 48 million%. Now let's see what's potential levels for Shiba Inu. Just as we say that, we can see one of my trades on them went through. But we have levels at the high of 0.000133673. That's about the 5x of the current price. Another level of 0.000111289, 0.0007782, 0.00006905, 0.00005316, 0.00004165, and 0.00003425. And if we look at this, with the levels we've just seen and Shiba Inu's previous all-time high, we got two levels that's gonna be new all-time highs. Looking at the different buy entries, 0.00002480, 00002356, 00002055, 00001726, 00001507, 00001315, and 00000932. That's about 60% drop from the current price. These are unique levels. The buy levels especially are have orders just for in case it does drop that low. But this has a huge potential of another possible 5x over time. Leave me your thoughts and concerns. Let me know. When do you think we'll reach these levels? Have a great one.